How to set up and run an NFS Network File System drive on Windows and delete its duplicates. Are you looking for an easy way to set up an NFS drive on Windows and fix the duplicate content? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss the sharing steps and a few simple steps to weed out duplicates. Right-click the folder you want to share on the Intranet and select Properties. Click on Sharing. Click on Share. Choose a user from the list with whom you want to share your files. To make the folder contents available with everybody and not a specific user, simply select Everybody. Now, you may want to change the Read Access permissions to determine who can view and edit. Click on OK. Removing duplicate files. Download Clone Files Checker. Click on Add and select the folders from your network drive system. Start the search. In the new dialog, click on Quick Fix. Select a file version to retain. Now, select your preferred action, for example, Permanent Delete.